Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize HUD-1 review uploads in ClosingCorp, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin authorizing HUD-1 review uploads in ClosingCorp, log into your ClosingCorp account. Navigate to the dashboard where you can access your tasks. Locate the section labeled HUD-1 Review. Click on the Upload button to start the process. Select the HUD-1 form you wish to upload from your device. Ensure that the file meets the required format specifications. After selecting the file, click on Open to confirm your choice. Wait for the upload process to complete. Once uploaded, review the preview of your HUD-1 form. Check for any errors or missing information. If everything appears correct, click on the Authorize button. This action will prompt a confirmation dialog. Read the information in the confirmation dialog carefully. If you agree, click Confirm to authorize the review. You will then receive a notification indicating successful authorization. Keep an eye on your dashboard for updates on the review's progress. If needed, revisit the section to track the status of your uploaded HUD-1. For any issues during the upload or authorization, consult the Help section. If you require additional assistance, reach out to ClosingCorp support. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.